Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Cara app. So it's very easy, let's get started. For example, let's go to my profile. So right here under the avatar you can see my display name, it is Nick as you can see, and if you want to change the name that is displayed on your profile, do the following. So first of all, click on the three bars at the top right corner or just swipe to the right and click on settings. Now go to edit profile, and right here you can see your display name and to change your display name, click on the checkbox, so delete your current name and now type a new one. For example, N, and after that click on the save button at the top right corner, and that's how you can change your display name in Cara. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to me and like this video. Thank you so much, bye bye.